All right, we're going to take a look at vertical asymptotes and horizontal asymptotes and understand when a function has a vertical asymptote. First of all, what is a vertical asymptote? A vertical asymptote is a vertical line, straight up and down, that our graph gets closer to but never touches. Yeah? In this case, our vertical asymptote is x equals 3. Remember from part 1 of the website, part 1 we talked about, or maybe it was part 2, we talked about what's the equation of any vertical line. The equation is x equals some number. In this case, that vertical line that our graph gets closer to is x equals 3. So, when you're asked to state the vertical asymptotes, your answers are going to be x equals some number, yeah? Because that's the equation of a vertical line. When do we get a vertical asymptote? We get a vertical asymptote when the denominator is 0, when the denominator of the simplified function. I'll talk more about that in later videos, but this is simplified. The denominator is equal to 0 when x is 3. So that is the answer. That is the equation of the vertical asymptote for this graph. What is a horizontal asymptote? It's a horizontal line that our graph gets closer to but never touches. Right? When does that happen? Well, first of all, what is our answer going to look like? Back again to part 1 or part 2 in this website, the equation of any horizontal line is y equals some number. In this case, let's say this is 1, that's 2, 3. In this case, the horizontal asymptote, the equation is y equals 2. Well, what are we looking for to get this answer? Well, what's happening here? Our graph, when our x values go really big, in other words, when x goes to infinity, our graph levels off and gets close to some number. So that's how we find horizontal asymptotes. We've got to think about our function. We'll be given that in later videos. And think about what value is our graph getting closer to. In this case, that value is 2 when x goes to infinity. Yeah? Or it could be negative infinity. If our graph did this, all right, then we're going to negative infinity. And as we go, let's say this happens to be our graph. Then as we go to negative infinity or positive infinity, we get y equals 2. So that's the idea of a horizontal asymptote and a vertical asymptote. Now in the next videos, we'll actually do examples of finding